Welcome to the demo of the 26B feature for AI Agentic app, Production Shift Operations Workspace. The Production Shift Operations Workspace is an AI-powered agentic application designed to help production supervisors efficiently manage shop floor activities during the current shift. Today, supervisors often spend significant time reviewing production data reported by operators, checking equipment metrics, monitoring exceptions, and switching between multiple user interfaces to understand what needs attention. Many of these decisions are time-sensitive and require immediate action to keep production on track. This agentic app brings those insights together in a unified workspace. It consolidates operational data, highlights exceptions, surfaces risks, and provides intelligent recommendations so supervisors can make faster, more informed decisions and reduce manual effort during shift execution. In this demo, we will walk through the Production Shift Operations Workspace from the perspective of a production supervisor managing the current shift. We'll start by reviewing the production supervision task and the initial setup steps, including the work center, shift context, work order assignments, and operator assignments. Next, we'll review the anatomy of the AI Agentic app so you can understand how the workspace is organized and where key information is presented. We'll then look at the functions of each AI agent that makes up the app, including how each agent monitors a specific operational area, surfaces insights, and provides recommendations. Finally, we'll review the supporting capabilities in the workspace, including Ask Oracle, priority actions, and communications. The Production Shift Operations Agentic AI app complements and enhances the production supervision task performed by the production supervisor. In this demo, you will act as the production supervisor for the Assembly Packaging Work Center during the current shift. The Work Center includes 6 workstations. You have already completed the initial work order assignments and assigned operators for the shift. In Supply Chain Execution, click Show More, then select the Production Shift Operations Workspace Quick Action under Manage Production. This launches the Production Shift Operations Agentic AI app. I've already set the plant and work center context. Let's quickly review the anatomy of the Agentic app. At the very top, you can see the contextual work center and the current shift you are monitoring. Below that is Ask Oracle, where you can ask questions using natural language. Just beneath Ask Oracle is the Summary section, which provides critical information across all domains covered by the app's agents. This summary provides the first information that the supervisor needs to know. Just beneath this, you can see the 4 agents, each represented by a tile on the dashboard. The headline on each tile highlights the most important information for the app user. On the right side, you can use priority actions to approve recommended actions from the Agentic app. You can also use the Communications panel to send outbound messages. You can zoom in on any agent to focus on a specific area, review recommendations, and take action. The Work Order Advisor presents a consolidated list of pending work orders for the current shift across all workstations, along with their current execution status. The advisor assesses execution risk, identifies bottlenecks, and recommends when operations should be reassigned to another workstation. Here you can see that the Agentic app recommends dynamically assigning operations for an expedited work order based on workstation capacity. As a supervisor, you can approve this recommendation using the Priority Actions panel. This causes the work order operation to be assigned to the workstation. You can monitor the completion progress of a work order operation. To refresh on demand, you can use the Refresh button. Next, let us review the Assigned Operators panel. This panel lists the operators assigned to workstations by the supervisor and shows each operator's current check-in status. Supervisors can use it to quickly identify workstations where operators have not checked in and focus their attention where needed. In the Exceptions panel, you can see the list of currently open exceptions logged by production operators that require your resolution. The Production Health Advisor panel provides a comprehensive view of production performance, including key metrics such as plan adherence, overall equipment effectiveness (OEE), downtime, and production quantities for the current shift and context work center. You can compare the current shift's performance with the previous shift, as well as against the benchmarks set for the manufacturing plant. To update the metrics, click Refresh. This panel enables supervisors to proactively monitor production health and identify potential risks before they impact operations. Now, let's see how you can use Ask Oracle to get useful insights. Ask Oracle provides a conversational interface that routes your questions to one or more advisors based on the context. The advisor's responses are then synthesized into a single, unified answer. For example, here is the response to the question, "Why is my OE low?" It provides a detailed answer based on shop floor data collected in the background. In addition to correlating insights from other performance metrics calculated during the shift, it uses data from connected equipment to identify anomalies and predict potential failures. A summary section and recommendation is provided at the end. In the Priority Action section, I can see that the Agentic app has predicted an impending equipment failure in about 2 hours. Before I approve the recommendation to create a preventive maintenance work order, I can ask Oracle for more details about this prediction. Here are the details explaining the reasons for the impending failure. Just to be sure, I want to ask one more question. I can switch to the chat mode and ask my follow-up question, how can I mitigate this predicted failure? Here you can see the details of the issue and factors that can mitigate the failure, interpretation and recommendations. I can now understand why a preventive maintenance work order is needed. I can now confidently approve the creation of a preventive maintenance work order for the asset tied to the workstation's resource instance. Next, I will show you how to create and send your shift handover report to the next supervisor. In the Communications region, click Email Shift Report. Enter the email address and click Generate Content button. Click the Send button to send the email. This concludes the demonstration of the Production Shift Operations Workspace Agentic app. To wrap up, this demo showed how the AI Agentic app, Production Shift Operations Workspace supports production supervisors during shift execution. We started by reviewing the production supervision task and the initial setup steps, including the current work center, shift context, work order assignments, and operator assignments. We then walked through the anatomy of the AI Agentic app, showing how the workspace brings together shift context, Ask Oracle, summary insights, agent tiles, priority actions, and communications in one unified experience. Next, we reviewed the functions of each AI agent that makes up the app. Each agent focuses on a specific operational area, surfaces key insights, highlights risks or exceptions, and provides recommendations to help supervisors make faster decisions. Finally, we looked at how supervisors can hand off the shift to next supervisor using the shift handoff email. Overall, the Production Shift Operations Workspace helps supervisors reduce manual analysis, respond quickly to exceptions, and keep the current shift on track through intelligent, actionable recommendations. This concludes the demo. Thank you for listening.